Are you tired of fad diets that promise quick results but leave you feeling hungry and deprived? Well, what if we told you that there's a way to improve your health and reach your weight loss goals without sacrificing your favorite foods? Introducing intermittent fasting, the ultimate lifestyle hack for the health conscious and time strapped. In this video, we'll be sharing 7 essential rules for successful intermittent fasting. So sit back, relax, and get ready to take your health and well-being to the next level. Rule number 1. What to drink during your fast.
Well, what should we drink to?
One of the most common questions people ask when it comes to intermittent fasting is what they can drink during fasting. The answer is simple. Water and tea are allowed. Certain types of tea can help you fast longer and decrease hunger because the herbs in tea help support your blood sugars and your liver, such as green tea and oolong tea. Coffee is also fine, but don't overdo it. Coffee will knock you out of ketosis because tea, coffee, and water have basically 0 calories. Number 2, vitamins and supplements. So you might be wondering, can you take supplements during fasting? Well, the good news is that taking supplements is actually recommended, especially things like vitamins, minerals, and omega-3 fatty acids. These can really help support your body while you're fasting and make sure you're still getting all the nutrients you need. But you do need to be a little careful about what kind of supplements you're taking. For example, you want to avoid protein powders like whey protein and branched-chain amino acids because they can break your fast. If you're looking for a supplement that won't mess up your fast, though, try something like a green drink without the fiber or a wheatgrass juice powder. These are super concentrated and can give you a boost of nutrition without interfering with your fast. Number 3, don't eat unless you're hungry. It's pretty simple, right? If you're not hungry, don't eat. In fact, if you're doing this fast to lose weight and you're not feeling that hungry, why not push yourself to go a little longer without eating? Your body is burning its own fat for energy, so you're not really starving. Just ride the wave and see how far you can go. You might see better results that way. Of course, you don't want to go too far and push your body too hard. You want to be able to recognize some slight hunger pains and differentiate them from feeling weak or dizzy. If you're feeling a little hungry, but you still have a lot of energy and you're thinking clearly, then it's probably safe to push through and wait until you're really hungry to eat. This is especially true in the morning when your body releases more sugar. However, if you're feeling weak, fatigued, or irritable, then you've probably gone too far. You should listen to your body and eat something to refuel. Don't push yourself so hard that you're putting your health at risk. Just take it easy and find the right balance for you. Remember, this is a journey, not a race, and it's important to take care of yourself along the way. We hope you're enjoying this video so far. If you're a beginner, make sure to check out our intermittent fasting series linked in description and give us a thumbs up. Number 4, refeed slowly. If you're someone who likes to do long fasts of 48 hours or more, it's important to remember to refeed slowly afterwards. You don't want to shock your system with a big meal after all that time without eating. So instead of going for a huge feast, start with a small amount of food like an egg, some lettuce, or a bit of peanut butter. Take it slow and wait a little bit before having a little bit more food. By doing this, you can avoid feeling bloated or nauseous. Remember, the longer the fast, the slower you should refeed. So take your time, enjoy your food, and let your body adjust. Number 5, transition slowly. Before starting intermittent fasting, it's important to plan ahead and do some research on different protocols. You don't want to just jump right in without any preparation. Instead, consider transitioning into it slowly. For instance, you can start by doing the 16-8 protocol a few days a week instead of every day, or even just fasting for 12 hours initially and gradually working your way up to 16 hours. This way, your body can adjust and you can avoid any potential side effects. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Number 6, stick to a schedule. It's all about finding what works for you and keeping a consistent routine. If you're more of a weekday faster, then go for it. It's important to find a schedule that fits your lifestyle and make it a habit. Keeping a regular fasting schedule can help your body adapt to the changes in energy availability, making the process smoother and more efficient. By knowing when you can and cannot eat, you're also less likely to overeat or binge during your feeding periods. Rule number 7. Don't eat crap all day. Intermittent fasting is not a license to eat junk food all day long. You might be fasting for 16 to 18 hours a day, but it doesn't give you permission to fill your feeding window with unhealthy foods. If your goal is to lose weight and improve your overall health, it's essential to focus on eating mostly healthy, balanced diet during your feeding window. Choose nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid highly processed foods, sugary drinks, and junk food as much as possible. By sticking to a healthy diet, you'll maximize the benefit of intermittent fasting and achieve your health goals more efficiently. Remember, fasting is just one part of a healthy lifestyle, and eating a balanced diet is equally important. Here's a bonus tip. Be patient. Remember that it's not a magic solution and results may not come immediately. Your body needs time to adjust to the changes, and weight loss can be a slow process. Don't get discouraged and be patient with yourself. Stay consistent with your fasting schedule, drink enough water, and fuel your body with nutritious foods during your eating periods. By taking it slow and trusting the process, you'll eventually start to see the benefits of intermittent fasting. Just remember, it's a journey, not a destination. Following these 7 rules is crucial for anyone looking to incorporate intermittent fasting into their lifestyle. By staying hydrated, taking supplements as needed, eating only when hungry, refeeding slowly, monitoring insulin resistance, sticking to a schedule, and being patient, you can make the most of your fasting journey. Remember, intermittent fasting is not a quick fix, but a lifestyle change that can help improve your overall health when done consistently and correctly. So don't give up too soon and keep at it. With dedication and perseverance, you can achieve your health goals and optimize your fasting experience. Hope you enjoy this video. Make sure to leave a comment if you have tried or are thinking about trying intermittent fasting. See you next time.